Everything starts right here. This mountain contains the stone that will eventually become premium marble slabs. Large extraction holes are drilled first to weaken the rock and prepare it for separation. The extraction zone is opening up, and the stone block is beginning to separate from the mountain.
After separation, the stone block is finally free and ready to leave the mountain.
Before transport, the block must be moved into a position where heavy lifting equipment can reach it. The block is now being prepared for the journey from the quarry to the factory. Every connection must be secured before a load this large can move safely. The journey to the processing factory has officially begun. Moving a stone block of this size requires specialized transport equipment and careful route planning.
The raw stone has arrived. The next stage will transform this giant block into marble slabs.
The journey from the quarry is complete. The giant stone block is now entering the processing facility, where it will begin its transformation.
Before any cutting can begin, the block must be safely transferred into the factory processing system.
This support bed will hold the stone during its preparation stages before slab production begins.
Cleaning reveals the true surface of the stone and allows inspectors to evaluate its quality.
Every natural stone block is unique, and inspection determines how it will be processed into premium marble slabs.
The first factory cuts remove damaged and irregular outer sections, creating a more uniform block for precision processing.
Creating perfectly straight sides is essential before the stone can enter large-scale slab production equipment. Accurate dimensions ensure the stone can be cut into consistent marble slabs without wasting valuable material. Preparation is complete. The stone is now moving toward the machines that will transform it into marble slabs.
The outer stone is gone. For the first time, the natural marble hidden inside the block is finally visible.
The outer stone is gone. For the first time, the natural marble hidden inside the block is finally visible.
The first complete slab has left the block and now begins its own journey through the factory.
Every trace of cutting residue must be removed before the natural beauty of the marble can be properly evaluated.
As the surface dries, the true appearance of the marble begins to emerge for the first time. Every slab is different. Classification determines where each piece will be used and how valuable it becomes. After grading, every slab receives a storage position that keeps it organized and ready for the next stage of production. The slabs are moving again, leaving storage and heading toward the departments that will enhance their appearance and durability.
What began as a single mountain block has now become a large collection of raw marble products ready for further enhancement.
The first major transformation is complete. The mountain stone has become a warehouse full of raw marble slabs. Before reinforcement can begin, every trace of hidden contamination must be removed from the stone surface. The resin is now entering the stone, preparing the marble for a major increase in strength and durability. The strengthening material is moving beneath the surface, filling natural weaknesses hidden deep inside the marble. Removing trapped air allows the reinforcement material to reach parts of the stone that surface treatment alone can never reach. The reinforcement material is now hardening inside the stone, locking strength into the marble structure. Every premium slab must meet strict dimensional standards before it can continue to finishing operations. Straight, accurate edges ensure that every slab fits perfectly during installation and fabrication. The marble is now fully prepared. The next stage will transform it from processed stone into a premium architectural material. The stone is now approaching finishing quality. with structure and geometry carefully refined. This first refinement stage prepares the marble surface by removing the smallest imperfections left from structural processing. The first full refinement pass begins transforming the stone surface into a smoother and more visually uniform material. As the surface becomes more uniform, the natural structure of the marble becomes increasingly visible and defined. The natural veins inside the marble become more visible as the surface reaches a higher level of optical clarity. The final polishing stage begins transforming the marble into a premium reflective architectural surface. As the surface becomes smoother, the marble begins to reflect light in a more controlled and uniform way. The marble surface now reflects the world around it, transforming into a true mirror-grade architectural material. This final inspection confirms that the marble meets luxury-grade standards for architectural installation.
The marble surface is now fully refined and ready as a premium architectural material.
From a raw mountain stone to a luxury architectural surface, the transformation is now complete.
The finished marble slab is now moving into the packaging section for safe export preparation.
A protective layer is applied to preserve the mirror finish during transportation and export. Edge protection ensures the slab remains safe during handling and transportation. A strong wooden frame is built to ensure safe international transport of the marble slab. The marble slab is now fully secured and ready for global export delivery. The marble crate is now loaded and secured for long-distance transportation. The marble has now left the factory and is on its way to its final destination.
The marble is now entering international shipping for global delivery.
The marble is now traveling across the ocean toward its final destination. The marble has reached its final destination and is ready to become part of a luxury architectural structure. The marble is finally revealed again, ready to become part of a luxury interior structure.
The marble is now becoming part of the building structure.
The marble is now becoming part of the vertical architectural design of the building.
The installed surface is now becoming a continuous reflective luxury floor. Every detail is checked to ensure the marble installation meets luxury architectural standards. The transformation is now visible in real space, where the marble defines the entire interior experience. This is where the marble is presented to the world as a luxury architectural material. The marble now defines the entire architectural identity of the space. The marble reflects not just a surface, but the entire space it defines. From a mountain stone to a luxury architectural masterpiece, the journey is now complete.